Hi guys, it's me, Indiana Jones, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Pretty much my channel is cosplay, cooking, and crafting. Lately I haven't been doing as much cosplay because it takes a lot of production time and budget, and I don't have neither the time or the budget to constantly be making costumes. But for some of the holidays, you'll check out like Halloween and Christmas and even say Valentine's Day. Just recently, we've put our Easter filming on hold because of what's going on in the world today. But I wanted to be part of this wonderful collaborative. So many beautiful young creatives are being a part of how to store your hobby supplies. So I decided to share how I'm storing my hobby supplies. Only difference is I do have a craft room, but it's under, how can I say it? It's under construction. My whole house has been under construction. I just refinished the entire flooring of my house, which was a great undertaking. Obviously, I didn't do it myself. I had a wonderful contractor who did the floors, and I think they came out marvelous. I had literally concrete floor in some of my house because the tiles had popped up. But enough of that. Let me show you what I'm doing currently, since I can't access a lot of my own, crafting supplies in the garage that needs to be worked on. So basically, let me show you what I have. So here in my living room, this is my living room. Actually, this is usually my Florida room. I just painted some stuff in the Florida room, so I wanted to bring this out here. And you can see here is my little sewing table. So let me show you my little coffee table. So this is my little coffee table. It was usually in my Florida room, and it's, you know, just a regular little coffee table. I'm sure you guys have seen the ones that have little baskets underneath. Now, I couldn't find baskets that could fit this exactly, but I found something even better. And it's these little containers from Dollar Tree. Now, you can change them, but I mean, for me, it fits perfectly with this like burlap green type of fabric. And if you look inside, I have my glue gun, I have my scissors, my Mod Podge, and what I like to call my seasonal supplies for crafting. And whenever I get the yearning to craft, I can just come to my coffee table, grab what I need. And in here, I have a variety of Plaid products, because Plaid, I am a Plaid ambassador. And I love the Plaid products they use. Most recently, they sent me like 36 bottles of this Plaid FX flexible acrylic paint. Now, as a cosplayer, I understand the need for flexible acrylic paint, because when you're using MDF or I can't remember the name, foam, flexible paint is incredibly important. I'm going to start crafting again for my costumes. I haven't done any costumes for cosplay recently, except for like the last one I did was for Halloween, but I have a great idea for SuperCon this year, if it's still going on. And I'm going to use a lot of this Plaid FX paint. Now, I had to give away, and I believe that my winner loved the products that she received, so I might have more giveaways with more Plaid products. Now, and as you can see, I have it decorated for the season. My friend Jane made this adorable little bunny. I think it's just perfect. So I have him there. And I made these fabric carrots, and I have a video how to make this. I made it live. But the best thing about this table is, oh, great, you have that storage, but that's not quite enough. Well, good, because this, you can eat off this table. This is what we usually eat off when we're watching movies in the Florida room. So I have my products in here. I have my plastic mats and all of my paper supplies. And again, what I do is I try to keep the products that are most relevant to, I guess, the season. It doesn't make sense to have my Christmas supplies here. I have them stored away in my garage. And again, more Plaid products, more Plaid paints, beautiful glittery paints that I have to work on, and color shifting paints. So I'm going to be making some stuffs now. And I know some people are staying indoors, so crafting is the best way to not go crazy while you're staying indoors. And I wish I had all the time in the world to craft, but I have to report to work because we are part of emergency services, and I'm more than happy to help out. So, now do you think that ends there? No! I mean, we're not even talking about my sewing supplies. So what I have are these beautiful decorative empty boxes. And I have 2 of them, which are very appropriate for South Florida with palm trees. So let's take my floral supplies. That's spring and flowers. We have all these wonderful floral supplies right in here. I'm going to stick it in that box. And these boxes I'll just have right next to, I have some remnants of some wings in here. That's okay. I'm going to put these right next to my sewing machine. And here in the bigger box, I'm going to put my fabrics, my seasonal fabrics. Again, not my Christmas or anything. I have some beautiful spring fabrics here. Gingham is always good. And there you can see the fabric that I used for the carrots. So whenever I have the desire to just start crafting, I don't have to run to my craft supply area in the garage. I can just reach under my sewing machine. So this will be right under my sewing table, very decoratively placed. I'll put them right here so you can see. Very decoratively placed, just like that, and I'll store it right under my table. Now a lot of you are thinking, well, that's all fine and good. Oh, one more little trick that I do. So I have this wonderful little centerpiece here. And again, I got this at the Dollar Tree. And the shrubbery as well. But this is where I store my paints. my painting supply, my paint brushes, my pens. It's just easier for me to just grab it and take it off the table when I get the urge to paint or to, decoupage, whatever I want to do. I just grab the flowers, rip them off, just like you saw me there. And then I can just put them away just as it is. Now, a lot of you are saying, well, this is not an appropriate, space to actually be doing the crafts. Well, I have a solution for that as well. And I'm going to lift the camera up a little bit without any editing, so excuse me as I do this. There we go. Sorry if I made any of you guys dizzy. I'm always dizzy. So, am I cutting off my head? I hope I'm not cutting off my head. Just a little bit. So, I have this wonderful new craft table that I have stored right next to my sewing machine. And as you can see, it's not behaving, but as you can see, it folds up to roughly around 10 inches wide. So when I'm ready to craft or to do my episodes, let me show you how that opens up. Sorry. There you go. Let me just move it back and I'll show you again how I did this. So basically, this is called an origami table, and you just spread it out. And the tabletop flips over and lock it into place so that while I'm crafting, nothing wrong happens. There we go. Lock it into place so it's strong enough that even I can sit on it. And then I just flip over the craft table. And this is where, let's see, yeah, it's in. And this is where I do my episodes and crafting. And again, if I wanted to, I can just push this down to a level where I can sit down or I can stand up. And I can do my crafting. So, oops, it's a little uneven here. Hold on, let me fix this. There we go. There we go, sorry. And again, it's comfortable enough that you can sit there and you can do your crafting or your sewing or whatever you need to do. So that's it, folks. This is how I am currently storing my craft supplies while I am, in the midst of this home renovations. And I can tell you that I'm very, very happy that I've repainted the house. It's all very tropical. I very much match the background. As you can see, I have a very tropical blue in the family room, and this is the dining and living room, which is completely unfurnished for now. But that's it. I hope this gave you some ideas of how to store your crafts. Again, once I start organizing my real craft room in my garage, I will make another video. But I hope this helps for now. Hope you all take care out there, and God bless you all. Thanks again to all the wonderful, lovely, creative women that I watch on YouTube all the time to get ideas, to get inspired. And thanks for letting me be part of this playlist. Take care, guys, and please visit my channel. Like, subscribe, share. Tell me what you like about my channel. Tell me how wacky I am. I love it. And again, Indie Annie Jones, and Indie because I am an independent film actress on the side while I have a full-time job and I'm a full-time mom. And yeah, I hope you like my channel enough to come over and get to know me a little more. Take care, guys. God bless. Bye. Oh, I gotta turn it off. Here I go.